Welcome to crazy Kentucky weather, where yesterday it was beautiful and today it's back to freezing. Using natural lighting, don't want to hear about it. So anyways, welcome to the channel.
A special shout out to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel.
Today we are unboxing the March Ice Cream Beauty Box. I feel like I got this actually early this month. It's been a few days since it's been here, and I got the bag as well. So we're kind of going to unbox them both, put them up against each other and everything. So if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and I like to sit and unbox and chit chat and have a good time. Uplifting each other. Some of y'all should try that. Let's go ahead and jump into the Ice Cream Beauty bag. This is a monthly subscription, and the price on this is only $12.50. The shipping is calculated separately. You will receive 3 to 5 full-size items per bag, and the average retail value of this bag is $65. Before I jump in, thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box for thinking of your girl and sending them both over my way. We have a little card. I really do love that they do that. So it says Ice Cream Beauty bag for March. The first item I see in here is the Medusa Makeup Halo Glow in Sepia. This does have a retail value of $12, and it actually says it's a bronzing glow stick. So I know I've received one of these before, not necessarily this color, but I have gotten one, so I'm gonna just pass this along. Then the next thing that I saw, or that's in here, is the Unicorn Dream highlighter. This is by Beauty Creations. It does have a retail value of $16. It's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. I love that iridescent. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, this is like such a freaking throwback of, do you guys remember Bad Habit days? Or what was it actually called? Shop Hush. Do you guys remember the Shop Hush days? Oh my gosh, let's feel. Ooh, these feel so nice. Okay, so those feel really nice and really buttery. Very pretty. I love that like glistening shine. It's just very pretty. And then I love to mix them all together. Ooh, look at that. I love that like glossy, glazy look. So this is actually really good. I really like this. And honestly, how pretty would it be to just go ahead and put this highlight on, and then you could set it with this. That's probably what they were thinking. They're really good at curating their boxes and bags. All right, next in here, check it out. Full-size ginormous palette, Beauty Creations Tiana palette with a retail value of $25. Oh, wow. Look at that. It kind of reminds me, I don't know why, like in my head I'm like, oh, it kind of reminds me of the Michaela palette, but I don't think so, because I don't think she had all these kind of colors. I think it's just the greens that are making me think that. Anyways, it's really pretty, but I do think I'm gonna gift it away. I feel like I have something similar to this in my collection, and my 19-year-old has been getting more and more into makeup, so I feel like this would be a good addition to my 19-year-old's collections. I really love these like glittery, pressed glittery shadows and these sparkles in here. That was very nice, and I feel like this was a good choice because right away, even though there's a lot of blue, my eyes did go to the green, with it being St. Patty's Day past, but this is the month of St. Patty's Day. I think that was a good pick. Go ahead and move into the Ice Cream Beauty box. Once again, this is a monthly subscription. As far as the price and everything goes, this is $29.99 a month. We do have free US shipping, 5 to 7 full-size items per box, and an average retail value of $120. And when it comes to Ice Cream Beauty box, every single large box like this always comes with a palette in here. This is a very typically makeup heavy subscription that I've told you guys since COVID days, that if you want to grow your makeup collection, Ice Cream Beauty box I feel like is where it's at. You don't want to have to bother with the skincare. Ice Cream Beauty box. Sometimes I do feel like you do get to choose sometimes what palette you receive. They always package everything beautifully. I love their new boxes. Like, you guys did so good on curating this. All right, in here we have Beauty and Art for March, and it does say a little thank you. Oh, this is so cutesy. So we've got like a little note on this side, and then all on this side is everything in the box retail value and a little information about each item, which I love that they do that. All right, so right off the bat, the first item I see is Stained Glass by Clarity Cosmetics. Clarity Cosmetics. So that's what it looks like, and it just, oh, that's pretty. Right off the bat, oh, that feels nice too. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's definitely a shifty shade. This looks like a shifty shade. These are nice. Oh, I love this. I did not bring anything over to wipe that. Look at that shift. 2 out of the 6 shades that okay, I really love that. It's very much a deeper, vampier type of palette, but I feel like for me personally, this would be a good accent palette. I really am loving these shifty shades. They are just absolutely stunning, and it does have a little mirror in here too. This is beautiful. I really like this color story a lot. So this retail value of the Stained Glass palette is $30. This is a $30, so you've already made your money back. All right, next in here, the ZC, a glitter liquid eyeshadow. That definitely matches the palette perfectly. That's one thing I always say about Eyescream beauty boxes when they curate their items. I feel like they have their products like laid out and they're like, okay, yeah, that goes together, that matches, that is cohesive, you know? It's not just chucked together. I mean, this and this middle shade, either one of those middle shades would be beautiful with this. Next in here we've got, ooh, these are so good. It's like a little shimmery. I don't know if my camera will pick up all the different shifts of this shadow. Duochrome Loose Pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, $10 retail value. And I forgot to tell you guys, the liquid eyeshadow by ZC Cosmetics is a $20 retail value. So right there alone is $30. And again, that is so pretty that you could easily pair it with one of the matte shades in here and get a nice little look. And then maybe on the inner corner or right in the center, you could pair this. Love what they're doing. We have a Charmacy Duochrome Glitter Lip Gloss. Says it's in, I guess, number 6 is the shade. Ooh, look at that. I feel like for me, I would have to do just like 2 little dabs and then like blot it across my lips and like put a little bit of a pout right in the center. You know what I like about it? Hold on, I don't want to get this on my outfit. I like that it says it's a lip gloss. That is really pretty. Did I tell you the retail value of this is $15? All right, last in here we have Base Blue times Mirror. New to me, never heard of this before. An eyeshadow palette, retail value $53. Am I reading that right? I am reading that right. Very interesting kind of packaging. It's like a production. Oh my gosh, literally a production. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I need to read about this. So, it does say this palette's inspired by the famous art piece, The Girl with Pearl Earrings. This is a cool neutral eyeshadow palette. It contains cool toned browns, gray, blue, red, yellow, etc. Create a subtle sunset look, red and yellow, a soft smoky eye, or mix in some other featured products. That is so different. I have nothing like this in my collection. I mean, look how like literally the eyeballs are perfectly in with this palette. That is so cool. I want to touch it, but I don't want to touch it, but like I'm gonna touch it. Ooh, it's pigmented. That was the yellow. That is so cool. And it does have a mirror on here. What do you guys think? Isn't that so neat? Wow. Okay, that, now I see why it's $53. Because holy tedious, that is really cool. Okay, so that is everything in both boxes. I am going to say for the month of March, I'm going to give it to the actual subscription box, not the subscription bag. I do think the bag was good, but I do prefer everything in the actual box. So if you're interested in signing up, I'll have a link down below for you guys. You can save 10% off your first subscription at Eyescream Beauty Box by using code HOTMESS. It's not an affiliate code or anything. It's just a way to save yourself 10% off your first subscription of the box or the bag. Thank you once again to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this over my way. Lume actually did send over a little kit for me. And you guys know I have been using Lume for a hot minute. I use it when, well, okay, listen. I feel like people don't talk about the leg area, like the sides of the legs, and I work out all the time. In the summertime, we're always outdoors. Wintertime, my son and I were skiing every single week. Like, I'm very active. And I put deodorant here, but I would like deodorant in the leg area. Not sponsored. So they sent over a whole kit of their products. Now this is their solid. I normally use the cream product in the deodorant form, which they did send over some of their invisible cream. I use that between the legs and it never stinks out. Never. Oh, they have body wash. Never tried the body wash. So they sent over a little body wash to try out, a whole body deodorant, which I've tried this one. It does work. Like I said, I just get the cream in the deodorant stick form, so it's easier to just glide between the legs a little bit. But you could always use a pea-sized drop of this and just apply it yourself. Comes in a bunch of different scents. This one's lavender sage, this one's vanilla bliss, and this is clean tangerine. I've tried that with their cream deodorant and I like that. This is new and I'm excited about this. This is a soft powder. Now there's only one other deodorant spray I can use that doesn't irritate my underarms, so I'm hoping this one does not irritate my underarms. We'll see. So this is soft powder and I get the soft powder deodorant cream. I love that scent. It smells good. And they also sent over their deodorant wipes. So I don't use anything that has like aluminum, and Lume or Lume, whatever you want to call them. I think it's Lume. I've always called them Lume. They are aluminum free, and I've been going aluminum free on the natural side of things for years. Like years. So, and I don't have an issue with stunken or nothing like that. So I should have popped this up on the screen for you guys, but once again, if you are interested in picking up Lume, it's now available in the YouTube shop, so I'll pop it up. Thank you if you guys do want to purchase it, but ginormous thank you to Lume for thinking of your girl and sending this over. I'm going to have a nice smelly good spring, so if you're interested in any other products, you know where to find them. I'll have them linked below for you guys. If you're interested in the Eyescream Beauty Box or bag, that will also be linked to go over and sign up. Once again, use code HOTMESS, and thank you again to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this over my way. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!